Okay, our partner pulls down again, grabs the wrist and the elbow. We did the straight down lead vertical circle. Then he pulled this way a little bit and we yielded off. And we shot off on the diagonal as a setup for the shoulder stroke. And this next one is as he pulls, we're just going to draw him in this direction and then set the shoulder stroke up very, very, very gently. So I want to create a rollback energy here, a suction to take his balance out into that space. And then I can look at where I can issue that energy with the shoulder. Now normally shoulder stroke shoots down and it's very uncomfortable to be issued down continuously without a high jump mat or something to land on. So as I drop down, I'm cutting underneath and just bouncing the energy up, more of a push energy rather than a shoulder stroke energy. And that's for the comfort of my training partner. Okay, have fun with that one. Thank you.